morning, students. Today I will teach you methods of separation of the mixture. There are so many methods to separate the mixture, you already know. But why there is need to separate the mixture? There are so many components in the mixture, and some are desirable components and some are undesirable components. So we have to take the desirable components. Desirable components are such components which are of our use, and undesirable components are such components which are not of our use. So, separation is necessary to get the desirable thing or desirable pure substance. Now, I am explaining the some important physical process to separate some mixture, like centrifugation process, separating funnel, and sublimation process. So if you have to separate the cream from the milk, so which process you will apply? You will apply the centrifugation process, and that is also known as churning process. Churning process or centrifugation process is that process in which there is a device, there is a container, you are seeing that container, and you have to keep the milk in that container, and it is rotated with the high speed, and the lighter particle like cream, that is accumulated at the center, and the heavier particle that will set down. So after accumulating the lighter particle at the center like cream, and you will separate it. So this process is known as centrifugation or churning also, and the platelets of blood is also separated by this process. If there is a mixture in which some substance is mixed as such that it can sublime on heating, let's suppose ammonium chloride is mixed in the sand and you have to separate it, then the sublimation process is done, and in this process you have to take the mixture like ammonium chloride and sand in the china dish, and it is heated by the spirit lamp, and the mixture is taken in the china dish, that is ammonium chloride and sand. When you will heat, the mixture will the ammonium chloride is evaporated, and one inverted funnel is also kept on the china dish, and curtain is plugged on the open mouth of the funnel. If you will heat it, the ammonium chloride that will sublime, and that will not take out from the funnel, and when you will cool it, the ammonium chloride that will be present in the funnel wall as solid form, and after that you can take out by the sharp instrument like knives etc. So this is the sublimation process. If such salt which sublimes on heating, you can separate that salt by sublimation process. If ammonium chloride is mixed in the NaCl, if ammonium chloride is mixed in the sand, or iodine is mixed in the sand, you can separate by this process. And what is sublimation process? It is a process in which a solid is heated that convert into vapor without changing into liquid, and if it is cool, that convert into solid form. This process is called sublimation. To separate the mixture by separating funnel process. Stable liquid like petrol and water, diesel or water, benzene and water, that is taken, and that will show the distinct layer. It does not mix with each other, that shows the distinct layer. Like if it is kerosene oil and water, so it is showing the two distinct layer. There is a stop cock here. So if you will open that stop cock, the layer of that water will come here, and just when water will come out, you will tight the stop cock, and then water will come out, and that will be separated from the mixture. And this is the principle of this mixture to separate. They have the different density. One is lighter and other is heavier. Heavier mixture, heavier liquid will be in the lower side, and the lighter mixture that will float on the upper side. So if the two immiscible liquid you have to separate, then you will use a device that is called separating funnel. Thank you, and I will teach you other process in the next class.